So, my name is Thomasdambo. I build giant recycled art installations around the world. 2 years ago I bought this farm and I thought I would bring you up to this corner to show you. So now I'm standing here on this corner of the property. That's right here where my feet are standing. And the property line goes all the way around here, all the way down here and around the lake. Here is the farm and the field goes up around the farm. Oh, hey boys. All the way down there and over there. And in the next 2 years we're gonna plant 50,000 trees, install a solar panel and build another 500 trolls. Cool. We're recording a video. 2.5 years ago I bought this farm to have a room to...
Cool, be professional.
Cool, be professional. Okay, so anyway, the conclusion was I wanted to do a vlog. It's hard to find the time to do it. Here goes.
Til det rigtige, og så kan man se over på kortet, hvor det rigtige er, ikke? Og der er sådan en masse ikoner, ikke?
Ja. Yeah.
Der er sådan noget. Det kunne jeg meget.
Yeah, this week we're working on all the props for the exhibition that is currently going under the title The Rabbit for Detroit Lakes later this year. So we just finished this wagon with the troll cauldron on it, and then we have to look at the roofs because the snow is melting this week. So we have to also check if the defrosted water will start dripping into the buildings, because we are putting new roof on 2 different buildings, the barn and the other barn that the safety institution of Denmark took. We have to take the other barn down because we built it in 3 days out of pallets, and 3 years has passed and it was time to go. So now we're building a new proper strong one. Actually built that off the beams that were the floor where I'm just standing here before we renovated this workshop. It's how it is here in the little troll factory, that everything moves around and becomes new things all the time.
My name is Victor, and here we are building the new storage for all our timber. So all of these are timber from this building that we renovated 2 years ago. So now we're recycling this stuff. Our old storage was falling apart, was a bit dangerous. So now we're gonna build something professional that can hold for many, many years. Approximately, we'll be able to store around 10 tons of wood. If it's harder to work with snow around the place, yeah, it's definitely harder because we got all the tree covered in ice and we have to heat things up with the flame and we get cold feet and stuff.
Tall people at the back is also a good idea.
Why don't you go all the way down? Are you okay, Paul?
Ja.
Sure? Yep. Very dark.
Yeah.
Should we get some more?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, for the cameraman, of course. There we go.
Den er også så, man løfter op.
Ja, det tror jeg ikke.
Er du det?
Oh, baby. Sneaky little bugger. Well, that's great. We wanted to save the tree, right? So the tree's going through the roof. And the beam will come right behind it.
We're gonna put the beams up, and before we could do that, we have to put up the scaffold here and mount a crane to the top so we can lift the beam up by chain. The crane came for the container, but it was not the right crane for this job. So now we are improvising.
Måske skal vi tage den.
But it looks good, man. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 up.
Yes, our new wood storage, and hopefully it will be done in a few days.
Yeah.
Making good progress right now. And we have to talk also about the overhang this way, because you wanted a view from the wizard tower, right?
Yeah, the throw wizard tower. Well, let's just leave it like that now, and then we'll see up there.
The shelving, we fold it to the...
No, it's going to be folded to
foundation.
this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
And there will be horizontal storage on these.
Nice that we could use the old ones. Exciting! It's not perfect. No. Oh my lord, stop it! The plan was I wanted to finish the first. Yeah, we had planned to finish the first. Oh, it's slippery, what? Yeah, we had planned to finish this episode by going down to the lake, but that's gonna be next week.